In this guide, I'll show you how to get the Bloodfiend's arm in Elden Ring, Shadow of the Erdtree. Now, from the DLC start, you want to work your way north until you get to this site of grace. Then you want to go underneath this cave, and you might as well grab the site of grace here, and we're going to work our way up to this location. So from the castle, you can hop on your steed, and we're going to work around this little area here, and there will be some enemies along the way, so just be wary of that, and just follow along on screen. So you might as well grab this site of grace here while you're at it, and then we're just going to head north until we get to Prospect Town. Then you just want to kill the trolls in Prospect Town that are carrying the Bloodfiend's arm, and it does have a good drop rate. If you do kill them all, just go to a site of grace and they'll respawn. And if we have a look at this weapon, it's a colossal weapon that has strength, arcane, and dex scaling, and it does really good bleed buildup when you put an Ash of War with Bloodbound on it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.